Okay. We're going to try help this new toy.
Hello.
I got today. I've been wanting one of these things for a long time. I looked at lots of the gas-powered ones, you know. You have to mix gas in the oil, and what a pain. So I just been putting it off. This one's a battery power. It's got a 40 watt battery, and it's supposed to last a really long time, so we'll see. Hang on.
Okay.
Let me shut the cap.
Okay.
I was just right in the middle of recording. What's up?
Oh, not too much.
2 liter?
Huh?
2 liter?
I don't know.
Oh.
Just a radio.
Oh.
I'm with
U.S.
the
Forest Service. Well, that just happened. I've been kicked out. I've been here about 18 days, so I got until I got to be out of here Monday morning. So he said all I got to do is go to another forest, and I can. It's just down the road. I've been there a few times. Used to take the motorhome down there, and I can go down there for 15 days, and I can come back up here, or I can go home. He said whatever. I just got to get out of here by Monday. So anyway, I started this project. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and yeah, I was looking at gas power, and I decided I don't want to do that. They're too much trouble, and they sting, all that. So I found this one. This is electric. It's got a 40 watt battery on it. It's supposed to last for a long time. I've used it a couple of times today on some stuff over there on the other side of the camp. So, but I wanted you guys to check it out. So I've been hacking on these knots for a couple of days with an axe, and I'm not an axe person anymore. So let's give it a shot. Let's put the glasses on. Okay, here we go. Let chain break off. How's that for quick work? I was going to cut up a bunch, but I'm not going to need it now. But I guess I don't know what I'm going to do yet, where I'm going to go. I said down the way there I can go, but I might just go home for a couple of weeks and then come back up. So one more.